So, good morning, students. Today we will be doing the topic types of inflorescence. Inflorescence are groups of flowers or bundle of flowers. It is very common in nature. Now, this inflorescence can be of two types, racemose and cymose. Now, the racemose inflorescence, we always observe that the main axis of the flower, it will keep on growing, it is continuously growing, and the flowers at the base, they bloom first. So I've shown it open, I've shown the flower is open. So the flowers at the base will bloom first, and the as the axis grows, the newest flower are at the top of the axis. So smallest buds you can see, they arise at the topmost one. And in cymos, just the opposite occurs. That is the main axis, it will always terminate in a flower and it will bloom first because it is the oldest one. And then from the lateral sides, the branches will arise that will give rise to more flowers. These lateral branches, they may again give out more lateral branches. Okay, and each time it will terminate into a flower. So this is cymose. Now let me show you a tabulation which you can write down in your copy, and this will be helpful for you to understand the difference between them. So the racemose inflorescence, the main axis continues to grow. Growth is unlimited. The flowers, they are said to be in acropetal succession. This kind of arrangement where the axis keeps on growing and the oldest flower is at the base and the newest flower are at the top. This arrangement is called as acropetal succession. This kind of flowers is less common in nature, and the arrangement of the flower will be centripetal. Next is the cymose inflorescence. Here the main axis always terminates in a flower. The growth of this axis is limited because it ends in a flower, and the flowers are born in basipetal succession. The grouping of flower is more common in nature, and this kind of grouping is called as centrifugal. Please write it down in the copy. You can pause the video and you can write it down. Now let me show you some modifications of these two kind of inflorescence. These picture shows the modification of the racemose inflorescence, where you can see, if you observe carefully, all the axes are unlimitedly growing and the base will show the oldest flower. Okay, so you can pause the video and write the names of this. Then the second kind of picture I'm showing you is of the modifications of cymose inflorescence. Here you can see that the central flower, middle flower, it is the oldest and it is growing and it is bloomed actually. And then the lateral branches will give out more flowers. So please pause the video and you can write it down. So thanks for watching.